What is a compostable bio-based plastic? A plastic is a polymer whose chain-like structure is composed mainly of carbon atoms. These atoms are present in both plants and in oil, which is itself formed from fossilized plants over millions of years. Polymers are either natural, such as leaf cellulose or maize starch, and are all biodegradable, or synthetic, if they are man-made. In this case, they are either fossil-based, if the carbon comes from oil or natural gas, like traditional non-biodegradable plastics, or bio-based. In order to limit our dependency on oil, European research has developed polymers with bio-based carbon from starch, vegetable oils, sugar, cellulose, and soon organic waste or seaweed. Whether or not they are bio-based, some synthetic polymers are also biodegradable. Let's see why. The biodegradability of a polymer depends on its structure, not on the origin of the carbon it contains. If the microorganisms in the soil or composts can break the structural chains of the polymer and feed on them, it is biodegradable. Traditional plastics are not biodegradable because microorganisms cannot break the polymer chains. But take note, there are additives which fragment traditional non-biodegradable plastics. Today, they are prohibited in Europe because these fragments of plastic persist and accumulate in the environment. Applications using the new bio-based, compostable, and biodegradable plastics have therefore been developed, and international standards determine their bio-based content, non-toxicity, and biodegradability. How can these be recognized? Thanks to the logos on the products. For industrial composting, for home composting, for soil biodegradation. Today, we can find fruit and vegetable bags and food waste collection bags which are certified for industrial or home composting, and plastics certified biodegradable in the soil for agriculture. At the end of their lives, it is important to send these products to the environments for which they are certified. For fully controlled biodegradation, choose industrial composting. With properties comparable to conventional plastics, these new polymers reduce our dependency on oil and gas while providing useful, more sustainable solutions related to sorting and composting of food waste or farming practices. Interesting, right?